For question 4, we're looking at the LightBoard class. It has a private 2D Boolean array of lights, as it has the constructor that you're going to implement, and it also has the evaluate light method that you're going to implement. For question 4a, you're writing the constructor for the LightBoard class, which initializes light so that each light is set to on with a 40% probability. The notion, lights R sub C, represents the array element at row R in column C. Complete the LightBoard constructor below. For question 4a, you're writing the LightBoard constructor that takes in an integer num rows and an integer num columns. Initialize the light member, lights equals new boolean num rows num columns. Loop through the 2D array, for int I equals 0, I less than lights dot length, I plus plus, for int j equals 0, j less than lights sub 0 dot length, j plus plus. Get a random number, so double num equals math.random that declares a random number from 0.0 to 1.0. If num less than 0.4, so you give it a 40% chance of happening, lights I sub j equals true. Otherwise, lights I sub j equals false. I normally make videos covering Python, Java, and JavaScript, so if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe.